assalamu alaikum.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this
Today
video.
I'll show how to make this
Today I'll
object
show
in
how
AutoCAD
to
software.
design
This is 2D.
look like a key.
This is
in
the
your
basic part
software.
3. So at first I'm
going to the file, taking the new.
I'm describing this drawing. This
Then
is
I'm selecting. I'm going here.
polyline.
I'm selecting the MMGS.
And whatever I have drawn
taking
it,
the
I'll
front
show.
plane and go
At
to
first
the
I'm going
extrude
here
boss.
for taking the new drawing.
Then I'm taking the line command.
On this plus sign,
Draw from here.
then create a new drawing.
It will be 20 millimeters.
Then I'm going to select the rectangle. Already I have
millimeters.
said about
Then
rectangle.
it will be carved.
So I'm taking it 100
going
millimeters
to
comma.
23, but I'm not putting the value yet.
Then 10
So click.
millimeters.
Then
Done.
going here. Then I'm taking
I'm
it
going
40.
here, select the polyline,
Going here.
click on this portion, going
Up
here
to this.
to the
then I touch to
100
this point.
millimeters.
Then I'm going to the smart dimension
Okay,
and
done.
determine it.
I'm selecting the ortho before going here.
From here to here it will be
Then
140
I have drawn it
millimeters.
by the arc,
And from
click here.
this portion
and
is
this
23
arc diameter
millimeters.
is 40, radius is
This portion is
20
also
millimeters.
23
So
millimeters.
the diameter is 40.
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Right button is click, select the line command.
Then I'm going
and
to
I'm
take
taking the line without
circle
dimension. I'm taking up to this.
and draw a circle from here.
Right button is click, then enter.
Up to this it will
I'm
be
not
110.
I don't want to draw from here
Then
because
I'm
I don't
going
know
to the
this
spline
arc
from here
radius.
to here.
So I'm taking from here. Line command is select, click on this portion,
Escape.
go to here,
Then
and
I'm going to
come
select
to
the
initial point. Go to here
center
for
line.
selecting the tracking line.
and sketch it from here to
And
here.
go to tracking line.
Okay, right button is
Okay.
click and
I'm
select.
taking it 10 millimeters.
Then I'm going to the
up
mirror
this one. This point is created.
and click on this.
And I am
path,
taking
click on this
from
path
here
and
to
click
here,
on this center line.
51 millimeters. Enter.
Okay, done.
Because
Then go to the
from here to
trim
here
into
the
this,
distance is
click on
51
this
millimeters
portion.
is shown.
Yes.
Or to create a
On this
circle.
portion. Click on this portion.
So,
on this portion. On
I am
this
taking the 51 millimeters. Then
Okay,
going
done.
here and select the center
Then I'm going
radius circle.
to here.
Click here and the radius will be
Exit
30 millimeters. Okay, done.
Click on
Now
this circle.
I will create a
this path,
circle by 10
on this
radius.
path. And I'm taking
I'm click
it
on this
20
line command
millimeters.
at 18 point. I'm click on this circle.
Okay, done.
Then I'm going to select the radius. It will be 20 millimeters. In similar way,
you are watching it.
then
I'm going
going
to
here and select
the
the
extrude
10
card and
radius.
click.
Click on this
Sorry, I'm
circle.
going to the
Click on
extrude
this
card.
line and click this
Click on this
radius will
portion
be 50
and
millimeters.
control it.
The circle is created.
Then I'm going
Now I'm
to
going
the
to select
hexagon.
the
I'm taking
trim.
it
Going here and select the
from
trim.
the center.
Right button
sketch
click
it.
here and click on the circle.
done.
Click on the circle. Click on the circle.
Then
and click
I'm
on
taking
this.
the smart dimension. This dimension
Now
it will
escape
be
is select and click on this line.
60 millimeters.
Then delete. Okay, done.
And the radius.
After that, I'm going here and
to
select the
fillet
center and
it.
diameter
Okay.
for creating the circle,
Click,
and it will be
click,
40 millimeters
click.
diameters.
Click.
Again,
Click on this hexagon
this circle
corners.
will be
Then I'm taking
20
5
millimeters
millimeters.
diameter. Okay, done. After that, I am
5
going to
millimeters.
select the
Then I'm
dimension.
going to here.
I'm determine the dimension from here to here.
I'm taking it the circle radius
So
is
small,
10 millimeters.
not visible.
Come up to this point.
So I am
middle
deleting
point.
it and try to increase.
Okay, it
Delete.
will be
It
10
will be
millimeters.
visible. I am going
Then
here,
up
select
to
the
here,
standard,
I'm taking it 50
then
millimeters.
manage dimension style
Okay, exit it.
and modify is. Then I am
Exit.
taking the text is
Then I'm
3.5
going here and
millimeters.
select the through all.
Okay,
done.
and the symbol arrows is 3.
Then I'm
Then
going to
okay.
select the materials.
Close it.
Going here.
After that, I am
Going
going
here.
to select the dimension and determine the dimension from here
And
to
I'm
here.
taking it
100. In
solid.
similar way
metal is selected.
from here
Select
to
the brush.
here. It will be also 100.
For watching.
Going here again.
Then
here.
going here. And the color is
The center line.
mixing.
Actually, I am taking it 100 millimeters, but not showing there. Okay, done. Then I am going here, select the radius. This one is created by the radius, and again this one is also created by the radius. Good. And this portion
you
is
are watching this.
Then I am going here and select this one. Going to the diameter. Okay, you are watching by this. The diameter and created by the diameter.
Click this one. You are watching
this portion also created by the diameter.
Okay, you can see.
Okay, done. Then I am taking the color. That's why I am selected all dimensions.
Top view, side view, front view.
Dimension is selected. Then going here
in the bottom view
and select this color
under 3D view.
You are watching it, and all.
Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment.
I think you have benefited by watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any question, please ask me.